Welcome back, guys. We are back with you guys here with another video, and we have someone special coming on the way. I have my detail stuff out for him, but it looks like Ken from the Daily Driven's on his way over, and we'll show you what he's got coming on the way. All right, so we're about to see how punctual Ken is. He said he'd be here at, let's see, in 35 minutes, so we'll see if he's really on time. I think I hear an exhaust, so that might be him. Hey, look at him pulling up. Sick. It looks good, that's for sure. What's up?
What do you think?
It looks good. The red's sick.
Is it quiet?
It wasn't as loud as your last car, but it sounds good.
We're gonna change that today. Later on today.
Yeah.
So it has the factory resonators and there's one factory resonator, which kind of like, I guess, limits the sound of it. And this is more for like the OEM Plus, but I'm more for the louder type of feeling to it. So in a little bit, we're probably gonna be meeting up with Ben, and we're gonna open it up a little bit more.
All right.
The front got destroyed, man.
Yeah, I can tell. We're gonna fix that right now.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'll hop in. Oh.
Dump some of the stuff in the back.
Oh man, with the buckets. Woo. All right. So off camera, we washed the car because he had a ton of love bugs, and we don't want that etching into the PPF or leaving residue for later when we film. But just to show you guys, I mean, the PPF looks great. I don't know if you can see this, but like right there, you can maybe see an edge. But besides that, it looks really good. You can't tell that it's on there. The guys that did his PPF did a really good job. And then they coated it. It was beating up like crazy. So easy to clean. But he's got to get tint though. This fishbowl going on right here. It's got to be hot.
I'll be back in 2 weeks, and we're going to be meeting up with Alligator Window Tint. You guys may know him, and we're basically going to be filming the whole car. Probably 70% of the front windshield because I don't want to go too crazy dark, and maybe 20% all around. So I got to thank the man behind the camera for getting my car clean because it was disgusting and it bothers the hell out of me. So it's more presentable now.
Yeah, for sure. Gotta keep the cars clean. Look who's here. Kylar just made it. Just got him in the garage. And then he forgot his memory card. So I have to see if I can find him a memory card. But I'm gonna move my car next to him so he doesn't have to worry about people parking next to him. And my car will be the crash car.
It's all clean now.
Yeah, wiped it down yesterday.
Nice.
All right, so got to meet up with the boys. They're all chilling in the room.
Good day.
We're waiting on the other guys to arrive too.
Hello. We're naked.
Vlogception.
We're naked. What's that?
We're having a deep conversation about life.
Oh, life.
Life goals.
Life goals, cars, moving,
Yeah.
food.
Yeah, food.
I'm starving. Not really, but.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
No, he has a AWE exhaust, axle back, yeah. And then Ben's gonna help install the mid-pipe.
Oh, today?
I think so. Do you have the mid-pipe or no?
Oh, you want to see how I get in? This is how I get in.
Oh, yeah. Let's see how he gets in.
So I gotta make sure, well, before I get out, my steering wheel is already pushed in. So I have to basically put my hands like this, drop in like a frame, go in,
like a
pull the
backwards
steering wheel
dive.
out. That's it. That's how you avoid the wear and tear on your bolsters, and this is how I get out. Push the steering wheel in, grab down here, grab on the pillar, come out.
Unscathed.
This is what you have to do to make sure you don't wear out and tear your seats, because these seats are really nice. You want to keep them nice, pristine. This is just the downside of having carbon bucket seats. That's the only downside, getting in and out.
Once you're in, it's game over.
All right, go back in now.
We we are going to go get Boba in the G80. It's gonna be sick. What's that?
What's up? You know how we rockin'? Simply carbon fiber on them.
Shameless plug.
Use my code SK10, 10% off your order.
Oh, hey. Oh, let me get in on the other side. Damn, these doors shut hard.
Yeah, they're pretty decent, right?
Holy shit. Gotta be careful with these carbons. Ugh. Did you get the carbon PPF too?
No, I did not.
It'll be fine. No one's kicking back here.
So before we continue with the rest of the day, this video is being sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber. As you can see, he's sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber too. He has nice shades.
Look at this. Look at this cool interior lighting. Fancy. You got this.
What year is this exactly?
Even the back
This
has the
is
AC.
a 2022.
Super sick.
2022 tank.
Yeah, you're not wrong. When you have carbon ceramics, they don't do that.
They don't do that.
Yeah.
So what I like about this car is that everything just feels like high quality, right? Like coming from an F80, nothing to shit on you, Towson, is that when I was in my F80, I just felt like the buttons were a little bit outdated. It just felt a little bit older, and it just felt not as good quality as some of these buttons are.
Oh, for sure.
Ergonomics on this car, everything's more driver focused. Like the screens tilt a little bit more towards the driver. When you're driving a manual, which I like, is that you could go low, but your elbow's sitting right here nice to be able to shift smoothly, which I like about it. The F80, I didn't think that position was more geared towards that. So, but the technology, I love the technology in the car. Like the cluster itself right here is just, it just brings me to the 20th century. Like,
yeah, that's awesome.
You can switch to M mode and it has that. Kind of looks like a fighter jet. Yeah. What do you think?
Yo, Ken is wildin' in here.
You're making me want to get one, bro.
We going 3 deep, slide in the car. This is nuts.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah, you're going the right way.
Sorry.
At the light, make a left.
At least that's on camera.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
So what do you think about it?
Dude,
This is
freaking
sick.
awesome. Like, I love the interior. Like, as you were mentioning earlier, like the quality of the buttons, everything, the orientation of the screen, the shifter, everything's just like way more well thought out than the older generation cars. So.
And I cannot wait for the next video that I'm filming. It's gonna be the break-in service video, so I can actually push the car.
Yeah.
I'll...
Sounds good.
Yeah. Nice and deep.
Miguel showed up with his E90, Atlantis Blue, I believe. It's super clean. Love that color.
I actually haven't seen that car in a while.
I love it though, it looks good.
I haven't seen this car in a while.
We got 3 generations.
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
How's it going?
I do love the color.
I think we got Motogear pulling up. Hey. If you don't know who this is Motogear. They rebuilt this thing from like salvage. It's crazy how much they did to it. It looks so clean. Go check them out. Super sick build.
Ought to be Scrape City up in here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rippity scrap.
Miguel made it.
I'm gonna scream. I'm 100% out of doubt.
I don't know.
Freewheeling? Let's go!
No scratches. Unscathed.
Did you scrape?
No,
Clean.
we're good. All right, so Ben's gonna kill me because he didn't want me to give up this spot. But we got this cool spot up here by the new medical building. And then you have downtown. And of course, you have all the cars. All right, well, since we're vlogging, we have them filming the cars right now. Let me not get in a shot. And we got his brother vlogging. We got Miguel chilling in the shade because it is way too hot. We got Ken, you know, doing his thing on the camera.
Lighting's pretty bad out here.
And we got Kylar also doing his thing. Yee! So these are their racing spec Brembos. Miguel was just telling me they sell like 3 to 6 different styles. This is the racing spec, and then he said the width of them is so aggressive that only certain wheels will fit. So like the CS wheels from the F80s actually fit, and then these LMs fit, surprisingly. But this thing is super sweet. Euro rear front and rear bumper. I think they're like one of the only sets left that are still intact, but it looks good, man. I love this Atlantis blue. And then Motogear TV's front lip, super aggressive. Love the lip. Like I said before, they rebuilt this car from scratch, went through a whole rebuild, super sick. Ken is showing everybody how to get in and out of the car again.
So people that daily this car, if you're not into doing all those steps to preserve that bolster, then maybe go for the comfort seats.
Yeah.
And that's my honest opinion.
You're gonna tell.
Yeah.
But to be honest, the comfort is still good. Like it still grips you.
No, absolutely. I will say though, I was on the track at the Performance Center, and I had the comfort seats, and they threw me around. I'm not gonna lie, because I was going full set.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't my car. So. But I enjoy the car. The journey just started. I think the most expensive thing I've done was definitely PPF, but absolutely well worth it.
See, his are in good condition. All right, so we made it to the dealership. I rode with Ken, and Ben's gonna do his run-in service now. Definitely go check out Ken's video on all the questions that people ask about the run-in service, what you need to know, what it does, some important questions that I'm sure people would want to know about. And then Ben, this is the first time Ben's seeing Ken's car, so he's checking it all out right now.
You gotta have good lighting. You get some deep holes.
What do you think of his car, Ben?
Track. Oh,
I got you.
I think it's like Ken said, it's very loud, but it's a good loud. On camera, like I was telling him, you can't really tell the difference between the reds on camera, but in person, you can definitely distinguish the Mola red from the Fiona red interior. Even on the brake calipers, you can just tell all 3 reds are different, and it works really well.
Yeah, I think all of us that saw the car today all agree that the red on red actually looks really good, and on camera it doesn't do its justice. Yeah. You're not wrong. That is what we all said.
Yeah, everybody thinks that.
And yeah, I'm in my YouTube fashion, I'm doing behind the scenes. I'm helping Ken film. He's gonna film. I got his mics set up. Yeah, we all have these DJI mics. They're the best. Buy them. Shameless plug. All right, back on the vlog. Ben is working. We got Ken recording. Yeah, B-roll. Man, Ken just non-stop B-roll. This is nuts. Yeah, he's just got tons of
more B-roll than not have no
Hey,
B-roll.
you're not wrong.
Today, easily. 50 gigs, maybe more. To start, probably more.
Got this somewhat taken apart.
But we're gonna inspire John probably get into a new lens, a new camera. Just be dropped down the stairs one day.
Look at this, look at this. He's Mr. Maintenance Man.
Yeah, I am. All I do is, I don't know anything, all right? I just do oil changes.
You just change oil, that's all you do.
I'm just making this up as I go along, to be honest.
No, hold on. In typical Ben fashion, he's making fun of me because I haven't posted anything on YouTube. So,
I'm making fun of you. I'm trying to motivate you, buddy.
Listen.
See, I'm that friend that tries to motivate you.
I'll post this video next. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. This will be the next video. It'll post tomorrow.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
This is the Hooligan YouTube channel. Let's see that again. Let's see that. What are you gonna do? What you gonna... This is Ken showed up without a brace on the car.
We're in.
Ken's over here sliding the car. Doesn't have the brace on.
It's okay. Vintage brace up front.
And as Ken films his second video, this is still gonna be all in one for me. There's his resonator delete that he's gonna do. We're gonna be removing this big resonator right here, and Ben is going to get started with that. Yikes.
Hey, guys. Good guess.
AWE exhaust looks sick though. Got rid of the diaper. Big tips. And after some major behind the scenes of working on this exhaust, we got it on. AWE, I'm calling you out on these things. These need to be easier. These need longer bolts or something to make it easier to thread.
They comment, you guys are retarded.
But besides that, it looks great. Ready when you are. So far sounds good. And of course, in typical fashion, I forgot to close out the video, so this is me closing it out. Hopefully you like the behind the scenes of us hanging out with Ken and all the other guys. I will probably be doing some more videos like this soon, mainly because we've been hanging out with Ken. He's been in the area, so you'll probably see more behind the scenes stuff, and we'll catch you later. Bye.